If you are trying to upload an image to Canva and you see the message saying the file is not compatible or corrupted, don't worry, there are some simple solutions you can try. First, check the file format. Canva supports JPG, PNG, GIF, SVG, and a few other formats, so make sure your image is saved in one of these. Sometimes the file extension looks fine, but the image is not encoded properly. The easiest fix is to open the picture on your computer with Paint or any photo viewer, and then save it again as a new JPG or PNG. You can also use free online tools like Alovim or Converso to convert the file. Another possible reason for the error is file size. Canva has limits, so if your file is too large, you need to compress it. You can use online image compressors such as TinyPNG to reduce the size before uploading. If the problem continues, clear your browser cache and cookies or switch to a different browser like Chrome or Firefox. You can also try uploading from another device or from the Canva mobile app to check if the issue is related to your computer. And finally, if the image itself is damaged or partially downloaded, you will need to get a fresh copy of the file. Most of the time, just resaving or converting the picture fixes the error immediately.